Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, October 15th, 2024, we're going to be taking a deep dive into Bitcoin, BTCUSD, and analyzing its recent price action, looking at both the news and the chart data to see how they connect. The biggest news driving Bitcoin's current price surge is Vice President Kamala Harris's recent pledge to support a regulatory framework for cryptocurrencies. This statement comes after years of uncertainty and criticism from crypto industry officials regarding the lack of clear regulations. The market appears to be interpreting this as a positive development, as it could bring greater stability and attract more institutional investors. Now, let's turn our attention to the charts and see what they tell us about Bitcoin's current situation and its potential future trajectory. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a strong upward trend that began in early October, with Bitcoin breaking through a key resistance level around $27,000. This breakout was accompanied by a significant increase in volume, suggesting strong buying pressure from investors. This trend has been further reinforced by recent spot Bitcoin ETF inflows, indicating a renewed interest from institutional investors. The daily chart also shows that Bitcoin is currently testing a key resistance level around $34,000, which could act as a potential ceiling for the current rally. If Bitcoin manages to break through this level with strong volume, it could signal a continuation of the bullish trend. However, if it fails to break through and retraces back below $34,000, it could suggest a potential short-term reversal and a return to the previous consolidation range. To get a better understanding of the short-term outlook, let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, we can see that Bitcoin is currently experiencing a surge in price, with several green candles indicating strong buying pressure. However, the price is approaching a potential resistance level around $35,000, which has been a key level for the past few days. If Bitcoin breaks through this level with strong volume, it could continue its climb to new highs. But if it fails to break through and retraces back below $35,000, it could indicate a short-term pullback and potential consolidation. It's important to note that the 1-hour chart is showing us a lot of volatility, so traders should be cautious and use proper risk management strategies. To gain even more insight into the immediate price action, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. On the 15-minute chart, we can see that Bitcoin is currently consolidating around $35,000, with a few green candles indicating a potential bullish bias. However, the price is approaching a potential resistance level around $36,000, which could cap the current rally. Traders should watch closely for how Bitcoin reacts to this level and the accompanying volume. A strong breakout above $36,000 with high volume could signal a continuation of the short-term bullish trend. But a failure to break through and a retracement back below $36,000 could suggest a short-term pullback. Let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart and look at the price action in the last 12 hours. In the past 12 hours, Bitcoin has been moving up in a consistent manner, with the price consistently breaking through resistance levels. This suggests that the bullish momentum is still strong in the short term. However, as we've discussed, the price is nearing a potential resistance level around $35,000. It will be interesting to see how Bitcoin reacts to this level in the coming hours. If the price breaks through $35,000 with strong volume, it could signal a continuation of the bullish trend towards the $36,000 resistance level. But if it fails to break through and retraces back below $35,000, it could suggest a short-term pullback and a potential consolidation. Now, let's shift our attention to the daily chart and recap the key price levels to watch. The most immediate resistance level to watch is around $34,000. If Bitcoin manages to break through this level with strong volume, it could signal a continuation of the bullish trend. A failure to break through and a retracement back below $34,000 could indicate a potential short-term reversal. In the longer term, Bitcoin's price trajectory will heavily depend on the regulatory environment. If Harris's pledge leads to clear and favorable regulations, Bitcoin could see continued institutional adoption and a sustained bullish run. However, if the regulatory environment remains uncertain or unfavorable, Bitcoin could face significant headwinds and potentially pull back to the $27,000 level. To summarize, Bitcoin's current price surge is being driven by positive news surrounding regulatory clarity. The charts are showing a strong upward trend, with Bitcoin testing a key resistance level around $34,000. A breakout above this level with strong volume could signal a continuation of the bullish trend. However, a failure to break through and a retracement back below $34,000 could suggest a short-term reversal. In the longer term, Bitcoin's price trajectory will heavily depend on the regulatory environment and the extent to which it attracts institutional investors. Remember to always do your own research and use proper risk management strategies before making any trading decisions. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts, and we'll see you next time.